What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and in today's video I'm going to be doing a reaction to barber pranks on YouTube. So I've found a compilation video where I'm assuming there's a whole bunch of barbers pranking their clients, and I'm going to be watching this video and reacting to it, and hopefully we can just have a really fun time watching it together. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys leave a like and click on that subscribe button down below to never miss any of my new future videos. But enough talking, let's jump right into this reaction.
Barber lip prank.
What is he doing? I can't believe he just violated that man. He said, He just violated him. Alright, giving a wash. Alright, cleaning his hair. Yo, what is he doing? Bro. Yo, did he just like gag right there? What was that? Hold on, rewind.
Hold on.
Yeah, man, he's like.
Yeah, sure. Close your eyes.
Oh, that's disrespectful. No. Dude, what are you doing? What is this? I don't understand. You know what this thing is nowadays, dude? Everyone's trying to be so big on the internet with TikTok, with Instagram Reels, with whatever. Everyone's trying to be an influencer on top of what they're already doing. And it's like, bro, like, you're a barber, man. Like, you can't be doing that to your clients. Like, there's no, like, what is that? Like, this dude's straight up squeezing soapy water onto my man's face. And like posting this on social media. Like, come on, man. Like, if you guys were to look at me, to me it's extremely disrespectful to do that. Extremely disrespectful.
All the way? Man, thanks, bro. I appreciate that. Oh, is there some more water on it? Oh yeah, bro.
Nah, that's B. This guy's in on it. See, that's it's witchcraft. It's the trickery witchcraft. They were like, let's make some crazy TikTok video today. You can be my client. I'm just gonna mess with you big time and do some crazy stuff to you. But still, even if, as a barber, there's no reason why you should be doing crazy things to your client unless you're paying your client to be a part of the video and like smack them around and just spray water directly in their face and put soap in their mouth, and it's unprofessional. And hopefully the barbers are paying the clients for that, because it's a little ridiculous.
Barber prank.
Ew. That's nasty.
Barber prank.
He's trifling. This man's trifling.
Get him.
This dude's trifling. He did that. I can't believe he did that.
So you about to do braids?
Yeah, she's supposed to come tonight to braid the joint down, and she told me to do that.
Where she stay at?
She stay in Baltimore.
Oh, sure. So you about to go?
Damn right. Y'all need like raid.
If there's one thing, these barbers are like, they're just making it happen. You've got prank channels, you've got comedy channels, and now you've got barber pranksters. You got pranking barbers. This is crazy.
In this joint, bro, y'all got bugs.
Yeah, the exterminator said he was about to be here next week, but
Can I get like half off? Damn.
I give you something, bro. I fuck, bro.
This man wanted half off because he's got something tickling his ear. That's disrespectful. That's disrespectful. I don't know, unless the price is like extremely high. That's kind of messed up. Let me get half off because something's tickling my ear.
Alright, but yeah, she said she was supposed to come tonight. Damn.
Oh, look at my man's chair. Oh, he's on the come up. I hope he's a good barber, yo. That chair needs some love.
I need my.
Nah, see, the thing is, man, they have to be good friends with their barber. They have to be. In order to get a reaction like that, you either been going with them for like a few years and you have some type of relationship with them, or they're just good friends from childhood or something. Like that stuff, I don't think that would happen.
Try that Barber lip prank today.
I'm gonna shoot you, bro.
I hate you. Why'd you do that? Man,
I can't believe that, man. That's a trifling. Oh! Oh!
Yo, what's up, bro? Wale, if I slap you.
Why did we said monk? He said, let me see the side of your head. That's enough. Let me see it again. That's enough. Like, why is this man breaking his neck? Like, what do you have to get insurance now to go to the barber shop? These guys are crazy.
Yeah. Come on.
Wait, hold on, stop. Look. He's looking at the camera like, yeah, I'm about to get him again. Watch.
Yo, I had to get that side, bro.
You're just waiting for it. One of these days, some of these barbers are gonna get their butt whooped, yo. I'm telling you, they can't be doing that.
Hey, here, hold my phone real quick.
It's your boy Chad. Your boy Chad getting that face scrub.
It's good.
What is he doing? Oh my god, dude.
how much mask do you need to put on?
Oh! Look, my man slapped him. Dude, I can't with this video. Look at this man's face. This is ridiculous. Look at this guy. He looks like he's the mummy. Did he just rip my man's shirt off? He ripped my man's shirt straight off his back. Damn! Yo, you know what this is, dude? This is, I'm doing whatever I can to get a viral video. I feel like that's what this whole thing is. I'm just doing whatever I can to get a viral video. I will beat the out of somebody and smack their face and put weird like shampoos in their eyes and like make them start freaking endure so much pain so that I can get a viral video. And then on top of that, I'm not gonna give them any income that I make from this. Dude, this is crazy.
Keep spinning them in the chair and don't stop.
How's that cut look? Looks alright. I mean, it's a little far. I can't really see too much, but it looks alright.
It went up like $1,500 since we booked it in February. What do you mean? I just think it up. No, I mean like the total price for the stay.
Was that like 6 spins? Let's say 7.
No, like if you would book it right now. Oh, you're saying it's hybrid.
I don't even know. I lost count. 8, 9.
Yeah. How long were you looking? February.
You okay?
Yeah, a lot of other ones have way more than
Nah, that was bogus. Nah, get out of here with that. That was bogus. Lame. Messed up hairline prank. Oh.
Shit burns.
Was it? Oh, that was her spray.
Look at this guy. Ooh.
Play too much, bro. What is this, fam?
Fam, it looks clean, fam. Stop. Are
Bro.
you for real?
I'm serious, fam. What is this?
Bro, it
fam?
looks clean. I just lined it up straight.
You play too much, bro. What is it, fam? Look at my fam.
Fam, it looks crispy to me.
Bro, my hairline never been this close, bro.
That's the thing, man. I'm telling you, these guys are playing too much.
Stop playing, dude. What the fuck?
Stop. Hold up. If someone ever just went up to you and was like, oh, dude, I swear somebody's gonna get slapped or like punched or something, dude. You look at this man's big finger. Look at that thing. I don't know, man. That's like the utmost trifling thing.
Stop fucking playing.
That's unbelievable.
Lip prank.
We got LeBron James in the building. We got LeBron James. That was weak. That wasn't even. Come on, you. If you're gonna prank your client, you gotta do what that guy did with the big ass. You just. So weird.
Back at it again with another barber prank.
Another one. Okay, that's a clean cut. Damn, my man's hairline is. Whew. Look at that. I can tell his hairline was right here at one point. That thing's in like the middle of my man's head. Damn, that's a shame. It's a nice haircut. Sheesh.
Come on, man, I'm too old for that shit. You making me dizzy. For real, man. Since I got older, man, I can't be.
This man's got the clippers upside down. This is so weird. Oh! That was disrespectful. What was that?
Yo, what's that about?
Cleaning you off, bro.
Bro, like really?
I'm just doing my job, man. Chill out.
He said, I couldn't imagine. This guy is so mad.
Chill.
Alright, you guys. I think that's enough for this video. That's it for today's video. Guys, if you did like this video and you want to see more reaction videos, make sure you leave a like and click on that subscribe button down below to never miss any new videos. Also, if you guys have any videos that you want me to react to as well, or just video ideas in general, feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see me do next in a future video. Thank you all so much for watching, but if any of you guys are interested in learning how to cut your own hair and save your time and money by not having to go to the barber shop so you don't have to deal with barbers like this doing some crazy stuff for you and not paying you for it, so you can cut your own hair at home and save your money and save your time, definitely check out my self-workout course using the first link at the top of the description and in the card section linked above. But again, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!